7 Health Habits of Prophet Muhammad backed by modern science. Over 1,400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad taught daily health habits that modern science is only now proving to be life-changing. Here are 7 Sunnah health practices that keep your body, mind, and soul in perfect balance. The Prophet said, "No man fills a vessel worse than his stomach." He advised eating 1/3 for food, 1/3 for drink, and leaving 1/3 empty. Today, doctors confirm that portion control helps digestion, prevents obesity, and increases energy. To eat slowly and mindfully. C040C1. The Prophet ate calmly, never rushing, and always said Bismillah before meals. Research shows that eating slowly reduces stress hormones and improves nutrient absorption. 3. Drink water in 3 sips. The Prophet drank water in 3 sips while sitting, not in one gulp. Science agrees sipping water aids hydration and prevents choking or bloating. For sleeping early. Rising for Fajr. He would sleep early after Isha and wake up before Fajr. Studies show this natural sleep rhythm improves immunity, mood, and focus. 5. Walking and staying active. The Prophet walked regularly, even to the mosque, and encouraged strength through physical activity. Walking just 30 minutes daily lowers the risk of heart disease and boosts mental health. 6. Positive thinking. Gratitude. The Prophet was always optimistic and grateful. Psychologists now confirm that gratitude improves happiness and reduces anxiety. 7. Fasting regularly. The Prophet fasted Mondays and Thursdays. Modern science now recognizes intermittent fasting as a proven way to boost metabolism, brain health, and longevity.